Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. I'm sure you've heard by now that one of the symptoms of the coronavirus is the loss of taste and smell. That means you can't sense things like sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. But what about spice? Technically, spice isn't a taste, but more of a feeling of pain. So spicy food would still be spicy even if you lose your sense of taste. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the shape of an awl, or something long and sharp like a pick. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character means pain. It also means spicy because spice can be described as painful. It is used in this word, 辛苦, which means hard or toilsome. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. Can you still see the main character? This character is a combination of the main character and the character for tree. For a child to grow like a tree and become a well-adjusted adult, sometimes a little bit of painful discipline is needed, and that is the job of a parent. This character means parent. It is used in these words, 父亲, which means father, and 母亲, which means mother. On to the next character. From here, we will add the character for axe. When growing a tree like a parent, sometimes an axe is needed to chop off the sick branches so that new branches can grow. This character means new. It is used in these words, 新闻, which means news, and 新鲜, which means fresh. Here's another character. Can you see the top part of the main character? The bottom part means woman. In ancient China, female prisoners, or the wives and daughters of dead criminals, were tattooed on the forehead with an awl, which would mark them as slaves or concubines. This character means concubine. Here's the last character. Can you still see part of the main character? This is a combination of the main character and a character that means bright. It depicts the act of opening something with an awl to bring it to light. It's what merchants used to do to check the quality of the goods they were trading. This character means trade. Ancient texts show that this character used to be a combination of the awl and a character that means inner. It is used in this word, 商店, which means store. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.